What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Don with the Don Fraud Show. And today I actually want to talk about something you probably saw in the title. First and foremost, if you guys saw that title and thumbnail, listen, pay attention, sit down here for a second. Because what I talk about is just price action in general, where the buyers and sellers at. There's always an excuse, there's always a why, and I kind of don't care about that. I kind of the price is absolute. The reason things are where they are because that's where everybody thought it should be. All right, this is just an ongoing, just online auction. If everyone wants it, the price is going higher. If everyone doesn't want it, it's going down. Now we know. Here's the thing I'm torn between. We've got some red weeks inside NASDAQ. Here's tech. 1, 2, 3, 4 red weeks right now. Now, I was a part of, actually, literally all of that. It was amazing. And now we're seeing some red. And so I took the little hit, and I've gone short, and it's even intraday made plenty of money. Now, I first took that little L on tech. Now, because more green candles than red, I was buying, and then the red candles showed up. I bought the dip, got smoked, wasn't the dip buy, which now kind of has me questioning things, because we know right now there's a lot of talk of bonds, and if you know anybody in the bond industry, this is to my knowledge because I do want to talk to some bond guys, to which I hope maybe we can clear things up. But you know, a lot of those guys, they don't like traders, they don't care about charts, and they think tech is in a bubble. They think tech is popping. Now, if that's the case, I guess the pop is always a fraction of how long it took to get up there. And so maybe that's kind of concerning at that point, because if this was a bubble, it took us a while. We're so bullish, we've been running up so long that that's just the new normal. They've been saying bubble and tech since here. We were 3 days into this thing, and they're like, it's a bubble, it's coming back down. And we've heard that excuse the whole time, most of 2020, and then just, now we're finally getting to some red, and now they're saying, the bubble. So if all of that was a bubble, and I mean, we can talk about the Rona crash, but if all of that is a bubble, do we have some ground to cover in a pop? And it could get very nasty, very quick, very aggressively, and you guys are going to be in trouble. Which is why I literally just made a video called How to Buy the Dips. So some of you guys know. Some of you guys are just taking unnecessary red. It's time to cut it. I was with you guys. I bought the first dip. Took an L. Yeah, got slapped across the face. But now it's time to probably switch gears. And now we might be at the bottom. We might turn around, and it could just go vertical tomorrow. Maybe not. So we got one side of the coin. We got, this is a bubble. It's coming out. I wouldn't be in tech with a 10-foot pole. I wouldn't be in it with my money or yours. We got that side. And then we got the other side, the Cathie Wood side. And now Cathie says that there's some things going on. And let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys want me to make a FinViz video to talk about how to find stocks that are going up right now? Because there certainly are. There's sectors that are going up. There's stocks that are doing well. They're easy to find. I can show you. Just let me know in the comments. We have Cathie saying that's a value trap. Some of you guys are going into that thinking, hey, this is going up. Tech has seen its days. Jump into this sector, and it's good. And Cathie's saying that's a trap. This isn't Cathie's words, but essentially almost it's time to double down on tech. Tech's what's going to get us through this. Tech is going to take this hit but come out even shinier. Now, a lot of you guys, you love Cathie Wood. She's all over the internet. I think she's awesome. She's smart. I agree with a lot of her reasons behind a lot of stuff too. But, and I definitely don't want to discredit Cathie for whatever reason. I don't care how whatever I say next sounds. So she's awesome, but it wasn't hard. Anyone in Cathie's seat would be where Cathie is right now. If you were just in the tech sector saying this is it. I mean, before this even shot up, I was even saying, even during the Rona crash right here, my exact words were, this is a storm. It is going to hit. It's going to be nasty, but we're going to get over it like that once the clouds clear. It's bright and sunny days. We are leaving the BlackBerry and we're switching to the iPhone. We're getting rid of the old tech. We're getting on to the new tech. And we did just that. and all you had to be was in the tech space. And again, I'm not discrediting it, but right place, right time. You just needed to be in the tech space saying, hey, this is awesome. Do you like Tesla? And you look like a rock star. Look at Michael Burr. He calls about shortening the housing market. He's right one time. And then look at everybody, how just that guy could lead anybody right off a cliff. And that happens because there'll be a right move that gets exaggerated. Or, everyone finds out about the one move you called out that was just to the T. And the whole market's a speculating gig anyway, right? Which is fine with proper risk management. That's the name of the game. But you just nail that one. Nail that right on the head. And then everyone talks about it. And then you guys sit in an echo chamber, just repeating why you guys believe what you believe, why you guys think you're right. And there's not a lot of opposing force. And then you guys are getting just smacked when all of a sudden something different shows up. So I kind of want to bring that to you guys. Do you think this is a bubble in tech? Are we just screaming back down? Or are you on the Cathie Wood side where, no, this is the time to be buying. Buy the red candles. We'll sell the green ones later. Right now, I can probably be convinced of both. If you've been following me for a while, you guys, first of all, have watched me trade Amazon and Tesla that whole way up. And just left, right, and center, just money pouring. I had more money than Powell could make. Like, there wasn't a printer that could hang. But, I don't have a bearish case for Amazon or Tesla. But those red candles are still there. Regardless of your opinion or mine, the red candle showed up, people are selling. And what's your opinion? If you're not a market maker, your opinion doesn't really matter. I want to hear about it for the sake of the conversation, but let's not ignore the fact that there's some red candles showing up. We're teetering with this zone right here. This is the weekly chart, by the way. Weekly. We are just barely on a pullback standard. We're a little bit deeper pullback than all the other. There was 3 weeks here, 2 weeks here. We're just now at 4 weeks, so maybe we're oversold. Here was the Rona crash where it just got crazy. But even if we pull up the retail indicator, the RSI, we're not even close to down here. I thought I set an alert here the other day. Maybe it's on a different ticker. I'm going to put my alert right there again. Weekly time frame. NASDAQ. Set the alert for the RSI at 40. If you guys are in there jumping in, buying every dip, and just handing your money out to somebody else, I got easier ways to give up your money. I'll give you my crypto wallet. I'll give you my bank account information when I make a deposit. But before you go jumping in, buying every dip, maybe set a couple of these alerts and see if even the RSI is over there. I joke. I call that the really stupid indicator. But it's the relative strength index. Like, we still got some time to go before even retail thinks it's oversold. So, again, I want to reiterate, hang tight on the whole buying the dip thing. It's getting some people in trouble. But also, I want to get you guys' conversation. We've got a month into the red now. And a lot of you guys, you just keep saying buy the dip. We hiccup and we bounce at every one of these zones. There's some leftover buy orders. And then it pushes up, and then it's this one green candle, and it comes right back down, leaving everybody's feelings hurt again. So, hopefully I got a couple videos coming out for you guys. I want to get some more, some other people's opinions on the matter. I want to have a few more conversations and just kind of see ultimately where I end. But I want to know if you guys could ask anybody in the market anything in regards to the tech bubble or the Cathie Wood side, what questions would you ask? What's something I could definitely, if I don't already know the answer for you, what's an answer you want to find out? And I'll end it here. I'll see you guys in the comments. And again, like all the other YouTubers, all links are in the description. I am a mentor. I do go live every night for the group. We have our own chat. And I sell a course. It's all down in links below. But what's totally free, the subscribe button, hitting the thumbs up, turn the little notifications bell on, and you'll see me every night. Sundays and Wednesdays, I'll be live for you guys to break it down. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow.